Hello boys and girls, welcome to this week's flipped video. Today's video is going to be all about estimation. It will be a review video, so it will be a mixture of me talking and you doing things. So let's go ahead and see what our first problem is. So it says, when rounded to the hundreds place, about how many pieces do these two sets have in all? And you see, well, we have two Ninjago sets. We've got this one which has 328 pieces, and we've got this one here which has 1,253 pieces. So let's go and figure out some of our clue words. So I see rounded to the hundreds place is going to be important. I'm going to see in all, I see about, I see two sets. So all of that stuff is going to be important. So first thing I'm going to do, I will write down my problems and line them up. So 1,253, taking care to put the bigger number on top, and 328. Now I need to figure out if I'm adding or subtracting that. I see in all, so that's a clue word that lets me know it's adding. But I do see about, so that means I'm estimating. And I'm estimating to the hundreds place. So I need to estimate both of these hundreds place, so I find my place, look next door, 5 or above, give it a shove, so that means the 5 shoves the 2 up to a 3. Digits in the front stay the same. Digits behind, 0 is your name. Now same thing, find my place, look next door, 5 or above, give it a shove. It is not 5 or above, so 4 or below, I'm good to go, which means the 3 stays the same. There are no digits in the front, so 0 behind, 0 is your name. So 0 plus 0, obviously 0. 0 plus 0, still 0. 3 plus 3 is 6, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So about estimating it, if I were to add those two sets together, that means that together they have about 1,600 pieces. Here's our next problem. You're going to work through this one because it's kind of similar to that last one. It says, when rounded to the hundreds place, what is close to the difference of bricks in these two sets? And we've got two Harry Potter sets. This is the one that I had when I was a kid, and this is the one that is a little bit newer. So I would like to know the difference in the two sets. Solve this, and then we'll move on. Alright, so if you did this properly, you see hundreds place, round to the hundreds place needs to be a clue word. Difference is a clue word. Two sets and close to are all clue words. So we've got 1,290 and we've got 943. Difference lets me know that I'm subtracting it, and rounded to means I need to round it. So I'm find my hundreds place. I'll look next door. 9 is closer to, or 9 means I need to give it a shove. So 1,300. And find my place, look next door. It's 4 below, so that 9 is good to go. And I'll subtract this. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now, while I can't take 9 from 3, I do see I basically have a 13 here. So I'll just take 13 minus 9, which would give me 400. So that means that there's a difference of about 400 bricks between the first Lego set and the second Lego set. Our next Lego set features the helicarrier from the first Avengers movie. And it says, if Mr. B were to buy 7 of these, what would the approximate total number of bricks be? So if I'm underlining my clue words, I see 7 of them, approximate, which is an estimation word, total number of bricks. But I'm not just adding here, because I'm not saying that I'm buying this set and then adding 7 more bricks. I'm saying I'm buying this set and then another set. Well, there's one set and then another, then another, then another, then another, then another, and then one more. Each one has 2,996 bricks, which is pretty close to 3,000. It's only 4 away. So then I'll do 3,000 times 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 still 0. 7 times 0 is 0, and 7 times 3 is 21. So if I were to buy 7 of those sets, which it's hard not to because it's a pretty cool set, that would be 21,000 bricks. And your final problem that you need to bring back to school. It says the 5 sets shown here in this video each had 267,380 bumps in all the Legos. By the bumps I mean like if this is the Lego, these little bump things on top. If we round this to the greatest place, and I want you to think about what that means, how many bumps in all? So figure this out, figure out if it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, and estimate it, and bring it to school.